Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends, a great morning to all of you. Today I, Anshika from the Standard 10 Competency is here for mastering the concept on the subject biology, and my topic is control and coordination. So today I am going to tell you about control and coordination in animals. In animals there are two types of system, that are nervous system and endocrine system. That are, first one is and the second one is endocrine system. Second one is, first one is and second one is. Nervous system is known as the control center of the body, whereas endocrine system consists of glands and hormones. Nervous system is known as the control center of the, whereas endocrine system consists of glands and hormones. Endocrine system consists of nervous system also consists of two parts, that are, nervous system consists of how many parts? That are, first one is CNS, first one is and second one is PNS. Second one is, CNS stands for central nervous system, whereas PNS stands for peripheral nervous system. CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. CNS consists of, and whereas PNS consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. PNS consists of, first one is cranial nerves, first one is, and second one is. Now you will think that spinal cord is the backbone, but spinal cord is not the backbone. It is present inside the backbone, and the cranial nerves are connected to the brain, whereas spinal nerves are connected to the spinal cord. Next, I would like to tell you about neuron. Neuron is the basic unit of the brain. It consists of dendrites, it consists of axon and cell body. First one is dendrites, first one is, second one is, and the last one is cell body. So now I would like to tell you about the structure of neuron. Here is the structure of neuron. The information is received by the dendrites, and these are called the dendrites. These are called dendrites. And this is known as the cell body. This is known as the cell body. And in cell body there is cytoplasm and nucleus present. This is known as nucleus. This is known as, and these are axon. These are, and these are called axon ending. These are called. Next, I would like to tell you about some glands and the hormones secreted by them. First one is ovary. First one is ovary. Ovary secretes estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and next one is thyroid gland. Next one is thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Next one is, now the master gland of the body is known as pituitary gland. The master gland is known as. Next, the last topic of our day is, now I would like to tell you about some actions. There are mainly three types of actions that are, first one is voluntary action. First one is second one is involuntary action. Second one is, and the last one is reflex action. Last one is, voluntary actions are those actions which are in our control and in which brain is involved. Brain is, and the next one is involuntary actions. Involuntary actions are those actions which are not in our control and in which brain is involved. But in reflex action is also not in our control, but in this brain is also not involved. That's all from my side. I hope you liked it. Thank you and have a nice day.